Modern enterprises want 100% uptime to ensure that their services are always available. But what if your IT systems crashes? IT hardware goes offline, or the system gets affected by a virus. With no on-site or remote IT staff presence, the downtime will keep on increasing. Seeking help from an external solutions provider may escalate the problem due to unfamiliarity with your present system, resulting in patching the system rather than solving the underlying issue. A comprehensive managed services solution assists businesses in focusing on what matters with 24/7 remote monitoring and support, proven ITL-based process, flexible and customized SLAs, single point of contact, full lifecycle asset management, global presence. Rahi's certified managed services professionals collaborate with customers to build and implement a plan that optimizes IT system requirements, so you can focus on expanding your business. Rahi's comprehensive managed services for audio-video, data center, cloud, networking and security infrastructure keep IT systems running at peak performance. Our on-site and remote monitoring teams scan and update your IT infrastructure in real time to prevent system breakdown before it happens. Rahi has developed a managed services model that incorporates the full lifecycle of IT infrastructure management that covers break and fix, diagnosis and remediation, IT infrastructure health check, preventive maintenance, commissioning or decommissioning, migration and upgrades, security audit, cost and billing management. Bring Rahi on board as your managed service partner and get continuous support, reduce IT spending, and eliminate downtime. Get a free, no-obligation managed services strategy consultation from Rahi as you prepare to scale your organization endlessly.